Hello and welcome to Hubballi Times. Dear viewers, today we are at Impulse PU College located at Shirur Park in Vidyanagar in Hubballi. National Institute of Technology located in India are among the most reputed institutes of technology in the world. So obviously getting into NITs is not an easy task. So dear viewers, today's our special guests are Praneeth Magaji and Sanket Badi. They have cleared JEE mains and successfully taken admission at NIT Surathkal. Welcome to our show.
Thank you, sir.
Let's speak to them and find out how did they manage to crack JEE mains and who did train them. Sanket, you started your preparation from high school level itself.
Not exactly. My major preparation for competitive exam started from here only. Like Madhusudan sir gave us a brief idea about what competitive exam is in JEE, JEE Advanced, INIT, IIT kind of stuff. Then later I had that enthusiasm of cracking the exams and preparing for it from then.
Okay, how about you, Praneeth?
So I have completed my high school in Belgaum, but major part of my competitive exam preparation started here at Impulse itself. Parents, obviously parents were a great source of motivation for us. They helped us. They actually know every test, like when it was going to happen and what we and how many marks we have scored in those tests.
They knew the test dates and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
We told them everything, sir. Every marks we have told. When we are going to attend test, we have told. Sir would speak to them a lot. They had good connection with us and sir. So they were nothing was kept in dark. Like they knew everything and they were a major source of motivation. Sir was instrumental in helping us. He had went far how much he can go to help us, sir. Like we could rely on sir for anything, for our doubts, to teach us. He has spent a lot of time with us, more than our parents, we can say. So he has played a major part in helping us, sir. To speak about e-learning, yes, the app which sir has, like Impulse JEE NEET preparation. So we have attended a few tests online, so that would also help us. We downloaded a lot of questionnaire plus material online from that app, and that also has helped us, sir, a lot.
Okay, Sanket, why no IIT and why you went for NIT?
Yes, sir. Like NIT is in our state only, so it is one night journey from our home, and even the premises is quite good. And as you know, NIRF ranking of our college is 13th all over the India. It has left many IITs behind it. So NIT has quite good ambience and all.
Why no IIT?
Sir, as he mentioned, I would add to his points.
Okay.
After the results came out, after everything was done, we had a lot of choices in our hand. Like IIT, NIT, then these colleges, engineering colleges in Bangalore. But at the last we selected NIT, sir. We felt that is the best option. We visited it once. When we saw the campus, the placements, the atmosphere, and yes, sir, it is very convenient for us, sir.
Okay. How many hours a day you used to study?
Sir, we would attend like college from 9 to 5.
Okay.
After that, sir would coach us for IIT for nearly 3 to 4 hours, sir. Then we went home, sir. Then after we finish our stuff, we used to study. We used to gather doubts for sir tomorrow to teach us. Yes, sir. At home, we used to study 2 hours. 2 hours. Also, we studied a lot in the morning, sir. So a lot of our study was in the mornings. Plus, the major part comes from sir coaching us for 3.5 hours. Sir.
Okay, fine. Do you also feel training is compulsory for this?
Sir, actually, what I would say is if you opt for competitive exams, then boarding exams and all will be quite easier for you, which Madhusudan told us earlier only, Madhusudan sir. He told us if you opt for if you train for competitive exams and all, boarding will be quite easier for you. So there was nothing kind of training for us and all. We major part only was like competitive exams, studying for competitive exams and all. Then we if our exams, we prepared for boarding exams 2 months prior for that. All we major studied competitive exams only.
Pranit, how did you manage with your friends and Instagram, social media and all?
Sir, we knew our boundaries quite well, sir. When we had to study, we studied, sir. When we felt that we have to mingle a bit, we mingled, sir.
I had a good companion with me, so no question of friends and all. Yeah, we had 2 or 3 friends.
Good friends.
Yeah, good friends like that. So yeah,
So you stick to your dream.
yeah, dream.
Sir, speaking about social media, sir, after 11 PUC, we gave up all our gadgets and all, sir. Phones and all. We used to only take phones from our parents if we had to give a test online, or if we had to download anything, or if we have to watch something, sir.
What next after BTech?
So my branch is like mining. So I have planned for masters abroad and MS, yeah, masters in mining only abroad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why no MTech in IITs?
Sir, mining like Canada, Malaysia, it is more suitable for mining. Like more colleges are there. Like IIT, you can choose for software and such stuffs. But mining, yeah, abroad is. I feel so. I don't know. But I have studied more. I have searched online and everything. IIT is quite good, but only for software part and all.
Okay. What about you, Pranit? Want to start earning soon, or you want to go for higher studies?
Sir, I have not thought about it yet, but at least I know that I want to spend a few years in doing a corporate job. But after that, I would like to start up on my own, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
That is a main goal, sir. I'm pursuing electrical and electronics engineering, sir.
Finally, third message for Hubli students.
Choose a good college for you. I'm not saying choose this college or that college. Choose any good college for you. Yeah, surrender yourselves to teachers and all. They will guide you better if you are not sure what to do next and what not to. So surrender yourself. Our sir was, he was a backbone. We had surrendered completely ourselves to him. And from parenting to teacher, he was everything for us. So that in that way we have, that's my message.
Sir, I would like to say, sir has mentored us so much, in a good manner. We, as he said, we had surrendered completely to him. He knew more about us than ourselves, sir. So yes, hard work is necessary, sir. So hard work is absolutely necessary. No one succeeds without hard work. But yes, if you have sir behind you, backing you, then I think no success is far away, sir.
Thank you for speaking to us. Dear viewers, we hope it would be a motivational video for students across the Dharwad district and all. Thank you for watching.
Stay connected with Hubballi Times for more updates. Thank you for watching.